Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add instrumentals to GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application. As you can see, we can get started with finding all the instruments we want to play, we can get started with recording ourselves and so on. So guys, let's say you have an instrumental that you want to add to your GarageBand track. There are multiple ways to do it. The first way guys is if you do not have the instrumental you want to add but you want to find one, what you can do is use the live loop section right here at the top of the screen. Next to the tracks option we have our live loops where you can find our sound library. We have the EDM page, we have a hip hop pre-made beat and so on. So here is what you can use for finding your perfect instrumental that you want to use for your song. So this is one of the options. The second option guys is to go ahead and create your own instrumental. So you can go ahead and open up any of the instruments, let's say the keyboard, and get started playing. At the top part of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording, and you can get started playing your music to create your instrumental. Those two ways are if you do not have already an instrumental that you want to add from your phone. But guys, if you have your beat that you want to add and you have it on your phone, this is what you want to do. So open up your audio recorder. It works the same for any options. If you enter in any of the instruments, it's going to be the same menu. You want to go right here in the upper left corner and click on the edit menu. In the edit menu you'll be able to see all your tracks that you can get started mixing, and now in the upper right corner is going to appear a button that's going to enable us to, after you click it, as you can see here, we have our Apple loops that you can use for an instrumental, and we have our files. And under files guys, we are going to see an option that says browse items from the files app. So once you click browse items, it's going to open up your files app and you will be able to find all the mp3 files that you have. You can go and select it, and now it's going to appear right here, and you can drag and drop it into your music and add your desired instrumental. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.